Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Xiaomi has launched a budget wireless headphones couple of days back, and it's the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. And today in this video, we will show you the unboxing and find out how they perform. So here is the box. We have ordered them from Amazon and the price of these headphones is 1800 rupees. In the front of the box we have the picture of the headphone, and the one we have here is the black and gold variant. There is also a red and black version. Then here we have some details which includes 20 hours of battery backup, 40mm dynamic driver, they are lightweight and supports Bluetooth 5.0. At the back we have the specifications, and here we can see the weight of the headphones which is 150 grams and some technical info this side. The MRP of this headphone is Rs 2199. So let's open the box and see the content. And to my surprise, the box was already open, which I have never seen with the Amazon delivery. Anyways, let's open it and see the content. So here we have the headphones, and the first thing I noticed that they are pretty lightweight. We will check them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, a micro USB charging cable and the aux cable, which means you can use this headphone wired or wireless. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the headphones closely. So here we have the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. The headphone feels pretty lightweight and weighs just 150 grams. Even though you get 400 mAh battery in them, the weight is distributed evenly on both the ear cups. The build quality is good. It's not the best, but keeping in mind the price, I would say it's good. And the headphone is made up of mainly plastic, and that is actually the reason why they are so lightweight. They are the on-ear headphones, and the cushioning we have here on both the ear cups is pretty soft. The best part about them is that they are adjustable. And guys, the adjustment is really good, as this will allow you to use the headphones for long hours without any discomfort. The headband we have on this headphone is adjustable as well, and you have also the good amount of foam here for more comfort. And now let me show you the flexibility of this headphone. I really like the design of these headphones, and we have the texture design on the ear cups with Mi logo on both sides. Inside the ear cups, you will see the big L and R written, which is also good, as you don't have to look closely to identify if you're wearing the headphones correctly. And in terms of buttons, on the right side we have the volume up and down button, and when you long press these keys, you can skip or go back to the previous track. And below it, we have the power button, which also has few other usage that I will show you in a moment. In terms of ports, we have the LED light here to let you know when it's on. Next to it we have the aux port and the micro USB charging port. There is also a mic here at the corner for calls. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. Pairing is simple, just long press the power button and you will see the blinking LED light. This headphone also supports voice prompts, which includes power on, off and pairing mode. So here it is, the headphone is paired with our phone. Now let's test them. First of all, let's talk about the comfort. I find these headphones really comfortable to use. They are lightweight and feels really comfortable. And I've used them for some time, and I've watched a 2-hour movie and listened to some songs, and again I'm saying that they're really comfortable to use. Looks wise, they look pretty good, and these headphones doesn't look that bulky. Now about the sound quality, for music, I must say that yes, these headphones, as the name suggests, has some bass in them, which I really liked. They are loud and the overall experience was pretty good. However, I noticed that the clarity is the issue in these headphones. Sometimes I noticed that because of the extra bass, the vocals are getting muffled up, which is actually not up to my liking. I have used them for movies and watching videos on YouTube, and there, these headphones performs pretty good. There was no lag at all while watching videos, but for gaming, there is a lag of approx half a second. So if you're thinking to play games like PUBG with these headphones wirelessly, then we do not recommend you to buy them. But if you're okay with the wired connection for gaming, then in the wired mode, they work like normal earphones, and there is no lag. And the best part here is that you don't need to worry about the battery, as it takes the power from your phone. Talking about the buttons, as I have mentioned earlier, you can skip tracks with the buttons here and the power button to pause and play tracks. And upon double pressing the power button, you can call Siri or Google Assistant. In terms of battery, company claims 20 hours of playback time, and I've used them for 4 to 5 hours, and on the phone, it was still showing 70% battery remaining. So I think it should last not 20 but around 12 to 15 hours mark. But that actually depends upon your usage, whether you're using the headphones at full volume or 70 to 80% recommended volume. So overall, the Xiaomi Super Bass wireless headphones are bassy, the design is good, and they are really comfortable to use. You get the latest Bluetooth 5.0, which ensure better range, but on the other hand, this headphone doesn't support multi-device pairing. The sound output is good, and for music, I would say that the bass is good, but I didn't find the clarity up to the mark. But again, at the price of Rs 1800, you're getting a good looking and comfortable headphones with good battery backup and also decent audio output. And keeping in mind all that, I would say that the MI Superbass wireless headphones are pretty good. And guys, as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Superbass wireless headphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do let us know if you prefer headphones over regular earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.